Hello guys, good morning. Nandito po ako ngayon sa Hunters ROTC Monument and Park. Bago natin pasukin, gusto kong malaman ninyo na ito ay inaugurated by Undersecretary Reynaldo B. Mapago, Administrator, Philippine Veterans Affairs Office, Department of National Defense, and Lieutenant General Romeo S. Browner Jr., Philippine Army, Commanding General, Philippine Army, dated 16 February 2023. Tara, pasukin po natin itong Hunters ROTC Monument and Park. Ang ganda oh. At may nakasulat po dito. Basahin natin kung ano yung nakalagay dito. The statue symbolizes the PMA and ROTC cadets, role models of the youth who bravely fought and defended the country against foreign invaders. On squat and aiming position depicts defense as opposed to offense that is usually represented by aggressive statues standing. Only those who are not afraid to die for freedom are fit to live in a democracy for which a price was dearly paid. Hunters ROTC Guerrillas. Tingnan po natin yung mga nandito. Ito pa, basahin pa po natin to. Hunters ROTC Guerrillas 1942-1945. Makikita natin dito may mga tanim din na halaman. Ang gandang tingnan, no? Oh. Pag may time po kayo, pwede rin po kayong mag-visit or mag-tour dito sa headquarters sa Philippine Army. Oh. Ito yung mini park po ito. Ikutin lang po natin. Oh. Number 1 po dito ang kalinisan. At makikita natin dito pag pumunta tayo dito sa headquarters Philippine Army, napakadisiplinado po ang mga kasundaluhan natin dito. Talagang pag pumunta kayo rito ay sigurado i-entertain po kayo dito sa loob ng headquarters Philippine Army. Marami kayong makikita dito. Andito yung headquarters sa Philippine Army Grandstand. Meron din ditong yung Philippine Army Museum. So itong pinapakita ko sa inyo, ito ay yung Hunters Park, no? Hunters so ito yon. So napakagandang tingnan, no? Sa ating bahay, oh, pwede nating magaya natin ito na pwede tayo magtanim ng mga halaman. Tika, may nabasa pa ako dito. Ito sa likod, hindi ko na kita kanina. Basahin po natin. Ayan o. Ang nakalagay dito, when Japan invaded us on December 18, 1941, PMA upperclassmen were integrated into the Philippine Army, but we in the lower grades were disbanded and told to go home and await for further orders. We never received these orders, but we were eager to fight the Japanese. Hunter Gustavo Tabo, see English History of the Hunters Guerrillas. Hunters ROTC is the name. Loyalty in our hearts will remain. Most renowned in this land, Philippines, my native land. We shall give you a task mabuhay. Excerpt from the song Hunters ROTC is the name. Terrace Hunters, the true story of the Hunters ROTC guerrillas. Meron din pa pala dito. Ang sabi dito, the Hunters were organized on 15 January 1942 in San Juan, Rizal by a group of cadets from the Philippine Military Academy and the Reserve Officer Training Corps ROTC units of the Metro Manila Universities led by former cadet Miguel Ver, PMA 43. The Hunters ROTC guerrillas answered the nation's call to service during the Second World War. Talagang matindi yung kinampanang papel ng ating mga ROTC cadets noon. Nag-participate sila sa Second World War to augment our regular force. Kaya nga, yung lagi kong sinasabi during our orientation namin sa ROTC na dapat ang piliin nila, no, sa NSTP yung ROTC, kasi ang ROTC is a source of reservist na in the event of war, in the event of invasion ay nandyan sila, no, na tutulong sa ating regular force. So hindi ko na masyadong iikutin. Yan, titingnan na lang natin. Part pa rin ito ng part. Ayan o. So I hope na nag-enjoy po kayo sa ating ipinakita sa inyo. At isipin na lang po natin, no, na itanim sa ating puso ang pagmamahal sa ating bayan. Number 1 po ang disiplina ang kailangan natin. Kaya ang ating mga anak natin ay talagang lagi nating bantayan at i-instill sa kanila ang magandang disiplina. Kasi sabi nga ni Jose Rizal, ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. So mga kaibigan, muli magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay and God bless.